Hello guys, there we have a Oppo A16s, and today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this device. So I'm always starting from the simplest one way, just restart your Bluetooth connection by this little switcher. You can also try to change the name of your device and look for your Bluetooth device again. If you still don't have your device here, go to this three-dot icon and go to the advanced settings. Now just try to turn on or turn off all of these switchers and try to look for your device again. You have to remember that a lot of devices have something like that pair mode, and how to enable a pair mode to be visible for your phone. You will find it in the manual instructions to your device. Okay, the next way is just simply restart your phone and restart your Bluetooth accessory. To restart your phone, just hold the power button and slide up to the restart. Then look for your device again. The next way is just go to the settings and go to the system settings. Now slide down and look for backup and reset. Now choose reset phone. Then choose the first option and click here to the reset network settings and look for your device again. The next way to try to fix your Bluetooth is just simple update your system. Just go to the about device and click here to check that you have any updates for your system. If you have, just install it. And the last recommendation from me, just look for your just check your phone and check your Bluetooth accessory on the other phone or laptop or something like that, to check that is a problem with your phone or maybe with your Bluetooth accessory. And that's it. Thanks for watching, good luck with pairing, and goodbye.